Alright everyone, finally Vela Exchange Airdrop. I posted already the link on Telegram channel. I have some fees to claim. I'm eligible because I did more than $3,000 in volume for trading. So I wanted to share this moment with you guys. Congratulations. Okay, okay, where is it? Claim blue pill. Liquid for 38 or 19 Vela. Take a blue pill and claim your reward now. Claim up to 8x your airdrop value based on your official launch trading volume. I will go for this one. I did a nice volume, so I hope you are embraced the path of risk and push boundaries to innovation. Get ready to so I didn't get it. Let's see. Nothing here. Not sure what's going on. I've embraced path of risk and pushed boundaries to innovation. Okay, get ready to embark in trading adventure where during moves and calculate strategy will help you to multiply your airdrop. Third build event will begin in July 6th. Alright, so maybe this one will be, let's say, I need to make a volume on the trading event on July 6th, and whenever I'm getting, let's say, depend on the volume I will make, I will get multiply 8x of it. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so let's go back to Linea. 400 points already, 425 still waiting for these to open. This one I already did it a few times, still stuck, need some time. This one already done as well. This one, 3 hedging swap positions. I did already one, I did the second one, and let me show you something nice. Look at this, almost 1 ETH, okay, the fees, and it's not taking it. Now the fees between 1.7 Ethereum and 3 Ethereum. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I'll just leave it. Let's see when it will finish. Until 7/7. So basically we have around 8 days. So let's keep it. No need to rush. I'm gonna wait a little bit for the fees to drop down. Already consumed around 12 ETH. I still having Gorilla. I showed you in the previous video how to bridge ETH from Gorilla to Linea, cheapest way and fastest way. Alright, so that's it. I was just going to show you what's going on here. Let's see. Hope for the best.